Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got 3 new Hot Wheels. Today I got this Volkswagen truck, and it's got Hello Kitty. And here I got a Fast and Furious Spy Kids car, and also it is a different color too. It is not the regular color. And here I got a Spiderman car too, and its name is called ZOTIC. So yeah, let's open. And also wait, I got a rotator. This is a rotator where I can put cars on, and I can turn it on like this. So yeah, this is a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna open Spider-Man. So yeah, I'm not really a big fan of Spider-Man, but I'm just gonna. I don't care if I have. I just like Hot Wheels. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 It's starting to break a bit. Oh no! Kind of broke a little bit. Let's that out. Okay, here's the Spider-Man car. It'll looking fresh. So yeah, let's just move aside away. Here is the Spider-Man car. And also, of course, we're going to take the rotator. So yeah, here is the... Oh, something... Okay, here is the ZOTIC. Here's the Spider-Man car. It is a ZOTIC. And it keeps on falling back. And also on the windshield, it's got a lot of little scratches here. Because it's supposed to be like that, I think. Like it's a little design, and also it's got a cool little engine. It's got a cool engine that's shaped like a spider. It's even says Spider-Man here. It even got like red windshields, and it kind of looks like an old Lamborghini a little bit. So yeah, it's even got like 3 lights at the back. So yeah. So yeah, this car is also called ZOTIC. So let's just move on side. Yep. Fast and Curious. So yeah, I know. Okay, this is called the Iron Motors Treasures. I don't know. Bion, Scion. I don't know. So let's open it. Okay, there is. Oh, it's actually. Oh, I like the. Whatever. So yeah, this car is actually really nice. The bottom for the car is like nothing I've ever seen. It's literally grayish and a little bit like beat up. Like, look at that, it's so cool. I don't know, it's so weird. And also, this car's got like some scratches because it was in the movie, so it's gotta have some scratches, of course. And also, this car's purple. Purple is my favorite color, but so let's move it. And actually, I should be doing this instead. The car is actually really cool with a little see-through kind of like hood thing here. It's purple, of course. It's like got a cool design. It kind of looks like an old Dodge Charger. So yeah, it even moves smooth too. It's pretty nice too. What I can also do is, it's driving. And also it's pretty smooth too. So yeah, it is also from Fast and Furious Spy Kids. Let's just put you here. Next is the KOOL Kombi, but the C is they use a K instead. So yeah, let's just open it. And also, oh no, it's not too bad. Okay. Okay, whatever. So yeah, it's a little bit beat up, but that's not really big of a deal. So here is the KOOL Kombi. It is very small, but why do they call it KOOL Kombi? It's a Volkswagen bus. And it's even got like a little spoiler on the top. And also here's the engine. It's even got these little like wheels on the back. It's like going on the track. Get you out of the way. I keep on forgetting. It's so tiny and cute. It's got a little Hello Kitty. It's a blue and white and also red. It moves pretty nice too. It's even got a little Volkswagen logo. And on the top there's a little Hello Kitty too. Meow. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's even got a red interior. But yeah, also, wait, let me just take it off for a sec. There's like a little muffler here too. Like on the back. So yeah, guys. Okay. Guys, here we got all the Hot Wheels. Let's put them all here. You got ZOTIC, Fast and Curious. I'm not sure if they can all fit. I'm scared they might fall. Oh, it's like Jenga. Yes, here they are. So, guys, these are all the Hot Wheels I opened today. And also, do you realize something? These are all from movies. Not really. This one's not from a movie. This is a Spiderman car. This is a Fast and Furious car, Spy Kids. And this is Hello Kitty. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also, I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. And also, bye. KOOL KOMBI. Bye-bye.